Ready to ditch the default look and rock a personalized style? Today, we're diving headfirst into creating a killer red plaid shirt for your Roblox avatar. First, you'll need a shirt template. You can easily find these online with a quick search for Roblox shirt templates. Download the template and open it in your favorite image editing software. Now for the fun part, designing the plaid. Start with a solid red base, then, using black or a darker shade of red, draw horizontal and vertical lines to create the classic plaid pattern. Once you're happy with your design, save it as a PNG file. Make sure the file is named something easy to remember, like red_plaid_shirt. Head over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Click on Create, then select Shirts from the left-hand menu. Click Choose File and select the PNG file you just saved. Give your shirt a descriptive name and then click the Upload button. Roblox will process your shirt. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, click on the shirt to open its details page. Finally, go to your avatar editor and equip your brand new red plaid shirt. Rock that personalized style and show off your unique creation to the Roblox world.